we're going to be making a game where there's a tower in the center and you move the mouse around to aim the tower, and when you click you can shoot a bullet. So we're gonna start by painting. We're just gonna make the sprite or the player, and then we'll want to put a little box, make it a little smaller. We'll make it a little wider or a little longer, just a little, and yeah, so we want it so that it will point towards the mouse. So, but we do want it to, well, yeah. We'll just put a point towards mouse pointer in, so now it points towards the mouse pointer wherever you turn it, like this. And next you want to draw the bullet. There's nothing you really need to do. Just gonna make a nice little red bullet. Okay. It's just gonna be a little red laser beam. And then we're going to make it so that when it's clicked, it'll go to 0. Then we want it to point towards mouse pointer. So yeah, and yeah, so we've got the basics. You want it to hide because you don't actually want to see the bullet while it's on there. But there's no cloning and the bullet doesn't do anything. So we want it, when it starts to clone, we want it to just move 10 steps. But it won't clone itself. We'll want it to show, but it still won't work. It needs to be forever. But it's stuck because it has to go there. So we'll want it if, so we want an if mouse down, so we put it in a forever. If mouse down, then create clone of myself. And now, ta-da! However, it's not doing, it's just gonna keep firing forever. So you want it to wait a little or something. Like you don't always want it to be firing unless you do. Then completely ignore what I'm doing right now. But they stay there even at the edge of the screen, see? Well, to change that, we need to add a little more. If touching edge, then delete this clone. So it'll now delete whenever it hits the edge. But that's really quick. Like, it's not going into the edge, and a lot of the time it doesn't look like it's even touching the edge. So you want to put in maybe a 0.1 second wait. But then it just stops moving. So again, you just want to put it in its own thing, like this. So now it'll go into the wall and then delete itself. And that's it. Part 1 of multiple. We'll just put in a background. We'll make it a nice green. There we go. So now there's a background, and we've got the turret, and we've got the bullet. And this was a short tutorial. I'll make more soon. Yep. Bye. See you next time.